everybody, today I would like to talk about how to remove anything from your image in Photoshop under 2 minutes. From this image, I would like this one, not this one, and not this one. Okay, let's start. First of all, open your picture in Photoshop. After that, from the window, select layers and maybe navigator for zoom in and zoom out. Uh, Click this lock from here, double click. After that, select OK. Okay, from the lasso tool, select this one. After that, select the object that you don't like. From the menu bar, select Edit. After that, select Fill. Be careful, pay attention please. Here you must select contact the word, and the opacity should be 100. And then select OK. And then from the select menu, select deselect. Okay, now this one. Again, repeat again. From the lasso tool, select this one. And again, edit, fill, content aware. Okay, and from the select, deselect. Okay, finish. Have a good time.